Corners of a distant isle, where the sun beats down and life's a trial. A young girl walks, her heart on her sleeve, in the shadows where we wouldn't believe. She sees the forgotten, hears their silent cries, gathers the lost under expansive skies. Island pet rescue. In her eyes the flame, turning sorrow into love, calling each by name. From the street she lifts them, with gentle hands so kind. In her mission she's the hope that we seek to find. On bustling streets, the hope that we seek to find. On bustling streets where survival's a game, she moves like a whisper unknown to fame. Each furry face, a story untold. In her embrace they break from the cold. A soul so fierce in a world so rough, teaching us all that one heart is enough. Island pet rescue. In her eyes the flame, turning sorrow into love, calling each by name. From the street she lifts them, with gentle hands so kind. In her mission she's the hope that we seek to find. Beyond the horizon a spirit calls, to awaken the heart that beats in us all. With each life she touches, with each life she saves, she's building a haven from the cradle to the graves. Join her on this journey, let's not stand aside, for in each act of kindness our humanity's tied. Island pet rescue, where compassion